यो व्हाट्सअप गाइस, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग। हम आ गए एक नए यूट्यूब वीडियो के साथ। तो टाइटल देख के आपको समझ में आ ही गया होगा कि ये वीडियो किस बारे में है। ये वीडियो करंट रेप्स के बारे में जो अब इंडिया में चल रहा है गाइस। क्यों चल रहा है, क्यों इंसाफ नहीं मिल रहा है, हमको मालूम नहीं है गाइस, पर हमें इंसाफ चाहिए। क्यों होता है लड़कियों के साथ ऐसा। आप सोच बदलो तो समाज बदलेगा। मैंने अपने कुछ फ्रेंड्स, मेरी दीदियों से बात की। उन्होंने झट से हाँ कर दी इस वीडियो को बनाने के लिए। वो नहीं हट रहे पीछे, उनको सोच बदलना है। आप भी अपनी सोच बदलो। क्यों नहीं बदल सकते? क्यों आप लड़कियों को उस नजर से देखते हो? कम ऑन गाइस, सोच बदलो। अगर उसकी जगह आपकी मम्मी होती या आपकी बहन होती तो क्या आपको अच्छा लगता? सिंपल है गाइस, सोच बदलो, इज्जत करो लड़कियों की। हम इंडिया में देवियों को मानते हैं और आप देवी की इज्जत लूट रहे हो। क्यों क्यों कर रहे हो ऐसा? एक अच्छा सेइंग है गाइस हिंदी में, लुटेरा है अगर आजाद तो लूटा अपमान सबका है। लूटी है अगर एक बेटी तो लूटा सम्मान सबका है। बनो इंसान पहले, छोड़कर बातें मजहब की। लड़ो इन दरिंदों से क्योंकि ये हिंदुस्तान सबका है।
I cannot begin to fathom the hideous incident that took place in the Hathras. Few days ago, we celebrated Daughters' Day, and yet daughters of India are so unsafe and are scared to move out alone. It's the 21st century, and still there is no dignity for women. I feel ashamed to be part of such society where TikTok versus YouTube or Kukar Mein Chane are promoted more on social media rather than such serious issues. After 4-5 years of rape in India, only 2 to 3 cases get solved, and the rapist gets punished. Another rape, another candlelight march, another heated debate, another political tussle. Why this has become a never-ending thing? We have no answer, and there is no action taking place. For how long will this go on? जिस दिन लोगों के मन के अंदर खौफ होगा, ये सब बंद होगा, पर खौफ कहाँ है? So it's our duty to stand up for women. Don't forget that social media is the best weapon for all these crimes.
Aruna Shanbag, Josna Singh, Priyanka Reddy, now the Hathras rape victim, and so many other women in our country, what do they have in common apart from being brutally raped? It is that they were India's daughters. And so are we, India's daughters. But if being India's daughter means being a victim of acid attack, child abuse, domestic abuse, rape, sexual harassment, and dowry abuse, then I'm so sorry. I do not want the tag of India's daughter anymore. Because honestly, what kind of a woman would want to live in a society where girls are being murdered even before they are born? Where she cannot roam around the streets freely without the fear of being raped? Where she cannot live in her own house without the fear of being raped? Where she is brutally raped and the people who are supposed to protect her from the evil are the actual evil she needs protection from? Where neither is the government accountable nor is the law. Thank you, India, but I reject your title of India's daughter.
Usually, rape is seen or defined as a forcible sexual act. But is it only that much? Well, it's not. The victim and the victim's family suffers through a lot of shit. When a woman gets raped, they blame her. They say that she wore inappropriate clothes. She wore too much of makeup. And when a man gets raped, they say that he wasn't masculine enough. Or वो मर्द नहीं था. Due to this, people suffer a lot of mental issues. Example, stress, depression, anxiety, and even cultivate many phobias like claustrophobia. हर शर्मा जी की बेटी स्लट या होर नहीं होती और हर गुप्ता जी की बेटी जो सलवार कमीज में रहती है वो खतरे से बाहर नहीं होती. There's a saying that do not judge a book by its cover. Then why do you judge a woman by her clothing, her outer appearance? It's not fair. When a woman works out in a sports bra like Samyukta Hegde, she's stripping, she's a whore, she's a slut. But when a man goes shirtless running, he's working hard, he's burning calories, That's so unfair. That's not right. Why don't we have equal rights? Why don't we have equality? Stop body shaming us. Stop sexism. Women have a sexist family all the time. She goes under sexism like all the time. Even at her own parents say that you shouldn't be wearing this. वो मत पहन, अच्छी बड़ी हो गई हो, एक नहीं पहन सकती तुम. Just stop it. Stop body shaming. Stop this sexism. Stop it. We don't deserve it.
Today, I would like to talk on behalf of all the girls out there. This body just compared to a sandy hourglass. Vagina is meant to be wanked, breasts meant to be sucked. This voice just meant to be surrendered at that one command of men. All we narrow down to is sexual intimacy, right? Girls being told to wear short outfits less often. Nirbhaya, Hathras gang rape, the rape of an 8-month-old girl. Nothing paid heed to. So, if a girl wears short outfits, it doesn't mean she's demanding attention. She's not wanting sex. In fact, it's the mentality of that society out there who categorizes clothes into short and long and thus consequently categorizing girls into sanskari or well-disciplined or sluts or whores. So basically, if I wear short clothes, more than flaunting and flexing about it, I'm risking it. And by risking it, I don't mean my virginity. I mean my life. So tell me one thing. How maturely did that 32-year-old man behave with 15-year-old Lakshmi? In my opinion, quite maturely. She was the victim of his acid attack. That Lakshmi could be anyone. Your friend, your cousin, your sister, your girlfriend. In the end, she was a girl. We are humans, ladies and gentlemen. We are not objects. I restate this point. We are not objects that men keep sexualizing all the time. And when I say this, trust me, I know it is not an all-man thing. Not all men out there are like that. Not all men do this. But today, there are just a few men whom I can trust. India. India is a country of rich culture, tradition, values. So tell me, people, raping a girl, what culture, tradition, or value do you categorize that into? I read a quote a few days back which said, राम मंदिर तो बना लिया, सीता की रक्षा कौन करेगा? जिम्मेदारी किसकी है? Think about it.
थैंक यू सो मच गाइस, आपने ये वीडियो लास्ट तक देखा। और अगर आपको लगता है कि हमने थोड़ी बहुत लोगों की सोच बदलने की कोशिश की है, तो ये वीडियो को जितना हो सके उतना शेयर करना गाइस, जितना हो सके उतना शेयर करना बस। और मैं थैंक यू सबको कहूँगा। थैंक यू खुशी दीदी, जीविका, श्रेया एंड इंसरा फॉर वर्किंग सो मच हार्ड। थैंक यू सो मच। आप लोगों की सपोर्ट की वजह से ये वीडियो बन सका है। थैंक यू सो मच।